Have you ever talked about a product with a friend only to see ads for it moments later? Many share concerns about smartphone privacy. Your smartphone collects a massive amount of data, often without you realizing. Here are some main ways it gathers information. 1. Microphone activation. Apps may access your mic more often than you think. 2. Background app activity. Closed apps can still collect data about your location and activities. 3. Voice assistants. Siri and Google Assistant are always listening for their wake words. 4. Advertiser tracking. Social media platforms analyze your behavior to tailor ads to you. 5. Permissions and third-party apps. Some apps exploit permissions to gather personal data. While there's no proof of tech giants secretly recording you, some apps may misuse permissions. Studies show no direct evidence of recording, but many apps track screen activity without consent. In 2019, contractors were found to be listening to recordings from Apple's Siri and other assistants. To protect yourself, manage your app permissions, and disable access to microphone and camera. Consider switching to privacy-focused apps like Signal and keep your software updated. While your smartphone isn't spying on you, it collects a lot of data about your life.